Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones BOPLAY H9 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter, and right here you should click add Bluetooth or other device. Then Bluetooth, and after that on the right ear cup we have the slider. Now slide up it and hold until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. And now we should see it in the device list. LE, it's not the same. Oh, this one. Click on it. And then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!